Hello, and thank you for viewing this short video on how registered Austin lobbyists can enter information about their direct communications with city officials as part of the quarterly activity report filing. Once you're logged into the e-filing system and have started your quarterly activity report for the applicable period and have moved through all of the sections on the left side of the menu, you'll note that the Report Communications option has been added. Let's click there. The top part references the applicable Austin City Code, and it asks, did you communicate directly with city officials regarding one or more municipal questions during this quarterly reporting period? You must select either yes or no. If you select no, you'll also be asked, are you sure you do not have meetings to report? If you try to click Save, you must confirm that you do not have meetings to report before saving. If you are sure, go ahead and click Save. If you need to change your answer and select yes, you can do so. Doing so will then provide you options to fill out. First, date of communication. You can either enter manually or use the widget. Note that the widget only allows the months for the applicable period. Next, the name of the city official with whom you met. The asterisk note that it is a required field. Name of the client or person on whose behalf the appearance or contact was made. If you select the drop-down, you'll see the existing data from your report. You can select if that's applicable, or you can select Other. Selecting Other will provide you with an option to enter it in manually. Is this a client an individual or a business entity? And you can select and enter in. Or you can select to choose from Clients list. Finally, have you received or do you expect to receive compensation for this meeting? And make the appropriate selection. You can select Save if you only have one to enter. If you have more, click Save and add another. After you save, it will show the list here. If you need to add more, you can do so here. If you'd like to preview the report, you can click on PDF, and then you can move through for the rest of the error checks for your full quarterly report. That concludes the news section for reporting lobbyist communications with city officials. We hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to lobbyists@austintexas.gov. Thank you and have a great day.